In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Microsoft Word. Copilot can save you time by drafting, refining, and summarizing right inside Word, but it only shows up when a few key settings are in place. We'll walk through confirming your subscription, updating Office, checking a privacy setting that Copilot relies on, turning the feature on, and a couple of quick fixes if it still doesn't appear. First, make sure you have the right Microsoft 365 subscription. Copilot is only available with specific plans. The quickest way to check what you're running is to open Word, go to File, then Account, and look under Product Information. If your plan doesn't include Copilot, the option won't appear even if everything else is set correctly. Next, update Office. Keeping Word current ensures you have the latest features. While still under File and Account, select Update Options, then Update Now. Let the update complete and restart Word so any new components can load properly. Now, check your privacy settings because Copilot depends on connected experiences to work. In Word, go to File, Account, then Account Privacy, and choose Manage Settings. Make sure Enable All Connected Experiences is turned on. This setting allows Word to use cloud-powered features like Copilot. If it was off, turn it on, click OK, and close and reopen Word to apply the change. When Word relaunches, look for the Copilot icon on the Home tab. You'll typically see it on the ribbon, ready to open a panel where you can start prompting. If you don't see it there, go to File Options and look for a Copilot section. If you have a Copilot toggle, switch it on and select OK. Again, restarting Word after changing this setting helps it take effect. If Copilot still isn't showing up, try two quick remedies. First, repair your Office installation. On Windows, open your system's Apps settings, find Microsoft 365, choose Modify or Advanced Options, and run a quick repair. This fixes most issues without a full reinstall. If needed, follow up with an online repair. After the repair, open Word again and check for the Copilot icon. Second, sign out of Word and sign back in. Go to File, Account, select Sign Out, close Word, reopen it, and sign in with the account that has the correct subscription. This refreshes your license and syncs any new features. And that's it. Confirm the right plan, update Office, enable connected experiences, turn on Copilot, and use Repair or Sign Out or Sign In if it's still missing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Copilot in Word.